Hi, this is Lou, and yesterday, March 7th, I received the Sig Sauer 516 pistol back from Sig Sauer after I sent it back because the bolt was jammed. To recall, when I got this about a month ago, the bolt jammed with a live round. I had a live round removed by personal defense of Raleigh, North Carolina. I then fired the weapon again, and again the bolt jammed. Today, after receiving it back from Sig Sauer, I took it out to my property and fired a number of rounds. I did do better than the previous time. One thing I did differently was to insert the magazine with the breech opened. Once the magazine was inserted, I then pulled back on the bolt and closed the breech. I was able to fire 10 5.56 rounds using the 10-round standard magazine that comes with the firearm. I then switched to a 30-round magazine that I got from Sig Sauer. That didn't work quite as well. It would load a round and would not load the following round. I had to pull back on the bolt to load the second round. This went on for quite a while. Once the magazine became about halfway empty, at that point, the firearm loaded the subsequent round without my help. So I was able to fire 30 more rounds, total of 40. And then switched to another magazine, and another 30-round magazine, and the same thing happened. However, once it did not load the subsequent round, even though I pulled back on the bolt. What ended up happening is this. This is jammed. I cannot pull back on this no matter how hard I try. The safety is also not functioning as expected because I suspect the bolt is not all the way forward. I cannot see in there. There's no magazine in here. But yet, as you can see, do not pull back on the bolt. I suspect that there's a live round in here, as before. I hope this proves, once and for all, that this is a defective firearm. I still insist on a 100% refund from Sig Sauer for this defective weapon. As you recall, I have disputed the charge with Visa, and I'm awaiting a decision. I do not care or want this weapon. I find it unsafe. There you have it. Thank you.